Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of luxury watches and horology. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Blancpain, 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 Blancpain. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Blancpain, 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 Blancpain. It refers to a prestigious Swiss watch brand known for its high-quality craftsmanship and elegant timepieces, established in 1735. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.